Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K today presented a deficit budget of Rs.1849 crore for the year 2022-23 and allocated over 48% of the total estimated budget expenditure towards realizing the state's sustainable development goals. In fact, Mr. Sangma, who also holds the finance portfolio, categorized some of the allocations into gender, youth and sustainable development goals budget. Without leaving any additional taxes for 2022-23, the Chief Minister said the total estimated receipt for 2022-23 is estimated at Rs 16,068 crore and the estimated expenditure for the same period is expected to be Rs 17,917 crore, thus leaving a fiscal deficit of Rs 1,849 crore. This deficit is around 4.5% of the gross state domestic product, the CM said.
The state's GSDP for the current financial year is pegged at 37,494 crores. Given the positive outlook for the economy, the GSDP estimates for 2022-23 stands at 41,010 crores. For the current financial year, the state government received 5,851 crores as share of central taxes, against the original estimates of 5,100 crores. Under the Special Capital Assistance Program, the Union Finance Ministry has also sanctioned 300 crores for taking up various capital projects. These additional funds are a welcome relief to the state government, and I would like to express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Union Finance Minister.
In the youth budget, the state government has proposed an investment of Rs 1,363 crore, constituting about 7% of the total budget. Mr. Sangma said the Meghalaya youth policy has been approved and about 10,000 youth would be trained in soft skills.
3. Youth employment and entrepreneurship. Meghalaya is a young state with 8.5 lakh people in the age of 15 to 24 age group. Providing opportunities to these youth to find employment and to achieve excellence is the government's priority. Youth engagement. The Meghalaya Youth Policy has been approved in the current financial year. A program for the engagement and training in soft skills of 10,000 youths has been launched. I am allocating an amount of 10 crores towards this program. Skills form the core of employability, and we have been taking up various skill development initiatives. I have launched a new all-comprehensive skill program called Skills Meghalaya. Under this program, 1 lakh youths will be trained in various skills for both wage and self-employment in the local economy over the next 5 years. I am allocating 10 crores for the Skill Meghalaya program for 2022-23 to cover 10,000 youth. Aggregating all the investments being proposed for youth in 2022-23, the size of the youth budget comes to 1,363 crores. This constitutes about 7% of the total budget size.
In the gender budget, the state government has proposed an outlay of Rs 2,495 crore or 13% out of the total budget for the welfare and development of women in the state for the year 2022-23.
Under the Mother program, the government is carefully monitoring the health conditions of all the pregnant women in the state with specific focus on high-risk mothers. Thanks to this initiative, the institutional delivery have gone up by 13% during the last 3 years. To further strengthen these interventions, I have launched the Chief Minister's Safe Motherhood Scheme. I am allocating an amount of 25 crores for the implementation of the scheme in 2022-23.
Touching on the development initiatives being undertaken by the government, the Chief Minister said it has a huge infrastructure deficit and so the MDA government is trying to bridge this gap.
My government has been focusing on bridging this deficit over the last 4 years. This budget will continue to give a strong thrust to infrastructure growth by prioritizing roads, water supply, power, transport and social infrastructure.
Mentioning about the Jal Jeevan mission, Mr. Sangma said,
the Jal Jeevan mission has been an emphatic success in our state. We have been able to provide tapped water connections to over 210,000 households in just 2 years. The state government will be spending about 2,000 crores during 2022-23 on the scheme. And I'm positive that by March 2023, we will be able to provide tapped water supply connections to another 3 lakh households. My government is making every effort to complete long pending water supply schemes such as Greater Shillong, Nongstoin, Raliang, Rimbai, and Ampati water supply scheme.
In the education sector, 208 primary and secondary school buildings are being built with a cost of rupees 109 crore, and another 111 schools would be constructed in 2022-23 at an estimated cost of rupees 100 crore.
The process for constructing 39 Eklavya residential schools has started. 208 primary and secondary school buildings are being built with a cost of 109 crores and shall be completed by December 2022. For 2022-23, another 111 schools will be constructed with an estimated cost of 100 crores. Projects for having higher education institutes in every district are close to completion. My government has also operationalized 9 People's College across the state. The second phase of selection and operationalization of additional People's College will be done during 2022-23.